Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to install Pluck CMS on Linux Mint 20.2. The Pluck content management system is a small, simple PHP application. It allows you to easily manage your own website. A key feature of Pluck is that it's easy to use and simple to implement. Pluck has these advantages and is completely free and open source, making it an ideal choice for every small website. First, I'm going to check the OS version by using the following command. I'm using Linux Mint 20.2 version. Next, I'm going to download the Pluck CMS by using the wget command. After the download completed, now I'm going to extract the zip file by using the following command. Now I'm going to move the Pluck CMS to the Apache home directory by using the following command. Next, I'm going to change the permission by using the change mode command. Next, I'm going to change the ownership by using the following command. Now I'm going to edit the virtual host in the plug.conf configuration file by using the following command. And here I'm going to edit the virtual host. I'm going to save and quit the file. After editing the plug.conf configuration file, now I'm going to disable the default.conf configuration site by using the following command. Next, I am going to enable the plug configuration file by using the following command. Next, I am going to enable the rewrite module by using the following command. Now I'm going to give the host entry by using the following command. I'm going to restart the Apache 2 web server by using the following command. Now we need to open the web browser, and here we need to type the host. Now we start to install the Pluck CMS by clicking it. Here click proceed and give any title. I'm giving as Linux help, email ID, click save. I'm giving title as Linux help, content, save. Click on this website. This is the home page of Pluck CMS, and the following result came here. By this, the process of installing Pluck CMS on Linux Mint 20.2 has come to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.